Hi! So, in the previous video, we made some coffee with a Donlim coffee maker using a V60 dripper and a V60 server. Okay? That was fun. The coffee was acceptable. It's not as good as when you brew it with your V60, but hey, for those lazy days and you still don't want to drink a cup of coffee from the outside world. For this video, I just want to finally measure the temperature of the water coming out of the machine, because that will ultimately decide how we can make the brew even better. I have water in the tank already. We're gonna put a thermometer. I have a camera right here. You know what? Let's put two different thermometers so that we can be sure. So the red thermometer is from Taylor. It's a cooking brand. It's a real kitchen thermometer. And then the black one is Time More. I have another thermometer. It's an analog one. Lagay na rin natin to. This is an analog thermometer. Okay. Now we're just gonna press. Oh, by the way, the testing that we're doing is just water without the coffee grounds, because coffee grounds holds heat. So for now, I just want to test the water coming out of the tank. So the Time More is reading 90 and dropping to 86. Let's close the valve and see. So it's actually 85, 87. So the last part actually managed to go as high as 92. Let's set this aside first. Okay, so for the first few pulses, it gives us around 87 to 88. That's not so bad, especially when you're brewing a dark roast or medium. We can use 87 with medium, only finer grind size. Maybe that's the reason why yesterday my coffee was a bit thin. So maybe I should have grinded finer, because the first few pulses were 87 and then it started to climb at around 89. Maintained the temperature at around 88 to 89. And then for the last few drops of the water, it managed to climb up to 91, 92. It's not really that bad at all. What if we already put hot water in and then let's check the temperature. So I'm gonna use this one because it's already heated up. I'm gonna put the hot water here. And then we're gonna start the brew again. Wow! We are actually getting up to 94, 95. With the Taylor, it's only 91. With Time More, it's consistent 94. Okay. Wow. That's great news. So with the Time More thermometer, it was consistent 94 up to the end. It's not so much of a pulse anymore. It's like a continuous spray. That's a great jump of temperature from doing 87 to 93 to 94 consistently. That's a good thing. So another tip for those who have this Donlim coffee maker, it's better if you pour in hot water already when you do your brew. Alright? So for now, thank you so much for watching. In the next videos, I'm gonna show you more about coffee. Bye!